Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Priya Ravi from Sir Isaac Newton School. I am going to take class for 8th standard CBC Geography 2. That is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. These all important for our life. Without land, where we live and where we'll get the food, where we'll get water and all. In the land, what all must be there? Soil, water. Then only we can do agriculture. Then we need natural vegetation. Do you know what is natural vegetation? Yes, children. And wildlife resources. Without the wildlife, we can't do anything. Because these all mingle with one and another. Now, we are going to know there is two families. One is in a small village in Africa, Tanzania, and another one is New Zealand. These two families are differ from each thing, because in Africa the villages, they are very interior, and even for a water they must come for a long distance. And in New Zealand it's not like that. We can get everything easily. So in Africa, the girl Mamba gets up very early in the morning to get water from far away, and she come nearly few hours and she walk and bring the water for the family, and she help her mother. And after that she'll join her brother in taking care of their goats and all. They'll take for the rearing and all. All her family have worked very hard, but they're not able to get enough money for the family. But Peter, who lives in the New Zealand, his family runs a wool processing. That is, they will take the wool from a sheep and they'll have a factory, and they can make it benefit even by using the technological. They grow lot of vegetables. Vegetation is very easy for them to do, and they do the vegetables through organic farming. So these two, Mamba and Peter, stay in two different parts of the world, and their lifestyles also differ, and their land quality, soil, water, natural vegetation and animal, and the usage of the technology, they all are differ. The available of such resources is the main reason places differ from each other. Do you know, children, land is very important natural resources. Even it is only the 30% of the total area of the earth's surface, but in this small percentage itself, it is very valuable natural resources. Even uneven distribution of the population in different parts of the world is mainly due to the varieties and the characters of the land and climate. Even the steep slopes, mountain, low-lying areas and water, desert areas, thickly forested areas are normally populated or uninhabitable. Plains and river valley are suitable land for agriculture. Now we are going to know what is the land use. What is land use? Yes, we are using the land for agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, setting up of industry. This is commonly termed as land use. And can you list out the different ways in which Mamba and Peter's family use their land? The use of land is determined by physical factors such as soil, climate, mineral. and availability of the water. Even human factors such as population and technology are also important determinant of the land and use of pattern. See this place. This is in Austria. See how it is? Yes. Now we are going for, see this. The land can also be divided on the basis of private land and community land. What is private land? Private land is owned by the individuals, and community land is owned by the community for the common use. And the community lands are also called common property resources. Now we are used to say government lands and all. Yes or no? Yes. Individual land means what we are having purposely. If your father or mother will buy a land, it is called as individual lands, and it is used for the common purpose. Like a government lands, it's called a common property resources. It's only for government. Totally they use for all the main purpose of common. People and the demands are ever growing, but the availability of the land is limited. The quality of land also differ from place to place. Even the hill station, the land will be different quality, and the plains it will be a different. People are started getting areas, commercial areas to build the housing complex and urban areas, and they expand for the agricultural land. In rural areas today, they change into the land use pattern also reflected the cultural changes in our society. And landslides and soil erosion are the major threats to the environment, because whenever there is lot of, you can know, sometimes earthquake happen, landslides will be formed there because of the earthquake. The sudden movement of the earth is called the earthquake. See this play. Have you seen these 4 pictures? From first picture to second picture, second to third, third to fourth, all are changing like a development of a place. Change in the land use over time. Conservation of the land resources. Growing population and the ever-growing demand has led the larger scale of the forest cover and the fear of losing this natural resources. Yes, we are going on using the land for building and developing our facilities. We are going on losing our resources, because once we cut down the trees, we are not able to get enough air or water, because cutting down trees spoil our environment. So this only I have already said, the landslide because of the mass movement of the rock and because of the earthquakes and the floods and the volcanoes, this landslides are formed. A massive landslide, Bangi village near Ryokong was the 200-meter stretch Hindustan in Tibet, where some places where the landslides are very common. Even the construction of the Renaissance wall to stop land from slipping. Increase the vegetation cover is an effective way to arrest the landslides. Now we are going to see about the soil. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Yes, there is topsoil, subsoil, and weathered rock material and parental rock. See this picture? Yes. The topmost soil will help us to do vegetation, subsoil with sand, slate and clay, and third is weathered rock materials, and last is the parent rock. Factors of soil formation. The major factors of the soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and climatic factors. And all this differ from place to place. It is not common in everything. It will be differ from one place to another. See this soil, how it is from parental rock, climate, temperature, rainfall, and time determines thickness of the soil profile. Parent rock determine color, texture, chemical properties, mineral and relief. Slope determined flora and fauna and the microorganism affected the rate of humus formation. This is factor soil forming. Okay, children, we'll continue this lesson in the next class. Till this, you see this lesson and hear the audio clearly, and I am going to give an activity work in the page number. See this page, there is a able to see? Yes, land use in selected countries. It is given countries and cropland, the percentage of the area in. So you must take notes. That is given the question now below. Study the above table and answer the following. Name the countries having the highest percentage of the land under cropland, forest, pasture and other uses. And second is, how would you relate the land use patterns of these countries with the probable economic activity? Okay, children, have a nice day. Thank you.